and atmosphere. Urjas,
Uncle,
Mr.
M.
Shankar is an astronaut who was also involved in the Mars Mission India 2014. Urja was once lucky to be able to talk him while he was in the spacecraft. He showed some pictures of Earth from his space station. Earth looked very different from there. Urja became curious to know more about the air and atmosphere that surrounds us. Her uncle answered all her questions. I can see a thin covering around the earth. What is that? The covering is a thin blanket of air called atmosphere. Wrapped closely around the earth, atmosphere has no outer boundary. It just merges into the space. It is a very thin layer, just like a pill of some fruit or vegetable. What is the importance of the atmosphere? The atmosphere protects us from the heat and harmful rays of the sun and makes our living safe on earth. It is also acts as a reservoir for water. You know that there is more fresh water in the atmosphere than in all of the rivers on the planet combined. It also regulates the temperature of the Earth's crust, which causes different weathers. I know that air is composed of gases, dust, smoke, and germs. Yes. But the major part of air is composed of gases such are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, and many others. Knowledge tree. The moon has no atmosphere. At its equator, the surface temperature rises to 101 degree in the day. In the night, it drops down to 180 degree. Mr. M. Shankar zooms for Urja to have a closer look at Earth. Uncle, the different gases in the atmosphere are not visible. Can you tell me how are these gases important for us? The different gases
The different gases
found in the atmosphere
found in the atmosphere
are extremely
extremely
helpful
helpful
to maintain the temperature
to maintain the temperature
of the land and
of the land and
she helping
helping
all living beings
all living things
to live
to live
comfortably.
comfortably.
I can see
I can see
that the atmosphere
atmosphere
is thicker
is thicker
near Earth's
near Earth's
surface than
surface than
further from it.
further from it.
The atmosphere
The atmosphere
provides
us
oxygen
oxygen
and other such important gases.
important gases.
Living things
Living things
live closer
live
to
closer
Earth's
Earth's
surface.
surface.
Thus, atmosphere
The atmosphere
help us to survive.
helps to survive.
Now,
Now
I know that
I know that
gases are major part of air, also moving
also moving.
air is called
Air is called
wind.
wine.
Uncle, can you please
Uncle, can you please
tell
tell
what different
what different
types of
types of
winds
wines
do we have
do we have
on Earth?
on Earth?
Sure.
Sure.
Urja.
Urja.
The different
The different
types of wine
types of wine
that we see
that we see
on Earth
on Earth
are breeze,
average,
storm,
storm,
and gale.
and gale.
Alright, Urja.
Alright, Urja.
Now I have to
Now I have to
go.
go.
I hope
I hope
it was a nice
it was a nice
experience
experience
for you.
for you.
Urja bids
Urja bids
goodbye
goodbye
to her uncle.
to her uncle.
She was very
She was very
excited
excited
about this
about this
whole experience
whole experience
and thought
and thought
of sharing
of sharing
it
it
with her
with her
classmates.
classmate.
The next
The next
day in the school,
day in the school,
Urja's teacher
Urja's teacher
was explaining
were explaining
types of wines.
types of wines.
Types of wines.
Types of wine.
There are
There are
different types of wines
different types of wines
based on
based on
their speeds.
their speed.
Given below is
Given below is
a number arrow
a number arrow
that represent
that represents
types of wine
types of wine
based on
based on
their speeds.
their speed.
Light wine,
Light wine,
bridge, gale,
gale,
storm, hurricane, tornadoes.
tornadoes.
The higher
The higher
the speed of wind,
the speed of wine,
the more
the more
destructive
destructive
it will be.
it will be.
Breeze, gentle wine
Gentle wine
is of
is of
two types:
two types.
sea breeze
She breathes
and land breeze.
and let breathe.
Sea breeze.
She breathes.
During the day
During the day's
time,
time,
the air above
the air above
the land is warmer than
warmer than
the air above
the air above
water due to
water due to
the heat produced
the heat produced
by the sun.
by the sun.
The warm air
The warm air
over the land
over the land
is lighter
is lighter
and beans
and beans
to rise, creating
to rise, sending
an empty
an empty
space
space
below
below
the air over
the air over
the water is cold
the water is cold
and heavy and
heavy and
moves to occupy
moves to occupy
the empty space
the empty space
created over the land.
created over the land.
The cold air
The cold air
that moves
that moves
from the water
from the water
to the land
to the land
during the day.
during the day.
Time is called
Time is called
sea breeze.
she breeze,
Land breeze.
land breeze.
At night,
At night,
the
the
land
Land
quickly loses
quickly loses
its heat
its heat
while the water
while the water
retains
retains
its warmth.
its warmth.
The air over
The air over
the water is now
the water is now
warmer and lighter
warmer and lighter
and begins
and begins
to rise,
to rise,
creating
creating
an empty
an empty
space. The cold
space. The cold
and heavy
and heavy
air over
air over
the land moves
the land moves
towards the water
towards the water
to occupy
to occupy
the empty space.
the empty space.
The cold air
The cold air
that moves
that moves
from the land
from the land
to the water
to the water
during the night
during the night
is called
is called
land bridge.
land bridge.